What's up guys, it's Susie Bullock from HeyGrillHey.com, and if you're watching this video, that means we probably already have something in common. We both love good barbecue, and that is ideal because at Hey Grill Hey, our whole goal is to help you make better barbecue so you can feed the people you love and become a backyard barbecue hero. And the recipe we're making today will get you there. We are making my marinated and smoked turkey breast. Let's do it. This recipe is gonna take 5 minutes to prep, 8 hours to marinate, and 2 hours to cook. You need about a 5-pound turkey breast, boneless, skinless. Most grocery stores have these back in the butcher counter, so just go ask. Even if it's not around the holidays, you can usually find one. For the marinade, we need 2 cups of lemon lime soda, a cup of soy sauce, a half a cup of vegetable oil, 2 cloves of minced garlic, and a tablespoon of creamy prepared horseradish. First step is to make the marinade. You simply pour all of the ingredients in a gallon zip top bag and then mix to combine. So this marinade is a Utah staple. Todd and I have been making this marinade forever. It's actually one of the first things that we made to take on our first ever camping trip right after we got married. It works great with turkey. The first time we did it, we used it with chicken, so both work. Put your turkey breast in the marinade, stick it in the fridge, and this will marinate for about 8 hours. This marinade's actually considered a legend here in Utah. There's this tiny little town with some of the largest turkey farms, and they have a festival every year. And so local church congregations and groups would buy these turkey breasts from the turkey farms, whip up this marinade because it's super simple, it's really affordable, and then they would grill it for all the people and tourists that came to the festival every summer. And I think growing up, every mom on my street had their own version of the Manti turkey marinade recipe. This one's mine. After 8 hours of marinating, we're ready for the second step. It's time to head out to the smoker. All right, we've got our grill preheated to 225 degrees. We're using apple wood. Cherry would also be a great option. Those fruit woods are really nice because they have a mild smoke flavor. It's not gonna compete with the bold flavors we have in the marinade. Just remove your turkey breast from your marinade. Just shake off any excess liquid because you don't really want that dripping down into the bottom of your smoker. All right, we're gonna close the lid. In 2 hours, our target temperature is gonna be about 150 degrees Fahrenheit. All right, it's been nearly 2 hours. Time to check on our turkey. Just use an instant read thermometer in the thickest part of the turkey breast. We're right at 145, so that means I have a couple minutes to prep for the final step, which is a sear to caramelize all of those flavors on the outside. I'm gonna be doing that with a propane gas grill. We're gonna preheat this to about 600 degrees. If you don't have a gas grill, you can also do this step in a cast iron skillet. Our turkey breast is at 150. That means it's time for the final step, which is a nice sear on the outside for color and for flavor. This is only gonna take about 3 to 4 minutes per side. We just wanna finish cooking this turkey until the internal temperature is 160 degrees Fahrenheit. You can start to see the caramelization from this high temperature grill, just creating that nice char and crisp and crunch on the outside of the turkey breast. Oh, it's looking so good. I'm gonna turn it just a little bit so we get those nice hatch grill marks on top. We're almost there. Our turkey is at 160. That means it's time to come off the grill. Oh my goodness, look at all the juices on there. You have that beautiful golden color from the marinade combined with that applewood smoke. Set it on your serving platter, cover it lightly with foil. We want this to rest for just a couple of minutes, and the carryover cooking is gonna bring the internal finished temperature up to about 165 degrees, and then we're ready to slice and eat. Our turkey's been resting for about 10 minutes. That means it's time to take a peek. It looks beautiful. It smells even better. And now I get to eat it.
Oh, hi.
Oh, you always come in at the most convenient time.
Look at this. What did you make today?
Marinated smoked turkey breast, but not just any marinated smoked turkey breast. I made the Manti turkey marinade for this one. You wanna try a bite?
Drink that juice.
I know, so good. And try some of that one. Oh, that turned out really good.
It was so good.
All right, you guys, I hope you give this turkey marinade a try. If you do try at home, leave a comment and let us know what you think. But more importantly, snap a picture and share it on social media. Use the hashtag #HeyGrillHey. Definitely tag Todd.
Yeah.
And then we can check out your cooks and celebrate with you when you make something awesome.
We'll
Todd
do
will
that.
dance for you. See ya.